Spiritual me no miss with this arm them. Want them, make them know God I call them. This a heaven academy and no harden. Nah friend, no devil, no demon cast them out. We a sound up heavenly alarm them. Young generation, the Peter, the Paul them. Intricate with the bars them, all them eradicate every snake way in the garden. Man I pray and I teach. Holy Spirit I make it fire and...
Many people, especially older Christians, have a problem with PrinceSaj's delivery of the Word of God. PrinceSaj, a young gospel artist with a DJ style similar to Dancehall, has sparked mixed reactions within Christian circles. While his message focuses on glorifying God, his approach, rooted in energetic rhythms and contemporary beats, has been met with resistance, particularly from older, more traditional Christians. Many of them struggle to accept that gospel can be delivered through a genre they associate with secular or worldly themes. For them, the lines between what is holy and what is worldly seem too blurred. However, PrinceSaj's method has struck a chord with younger audiences who find his style more relatable and accessible. By incorporating the dancehall rhythm into his gospel music, he bridges the gap between faith and culture, meeting young people where they are. Instead of distancing himself from modern culture, PrinceSaj uses it as a tool to share the message of Christ, demonstrating that worship can exist in different forms.
Say we don't look the part, judgment belong to God, watch your thoughts. Say we don't look like Christians and we don't play the regular part. No, so we do it. We take the gospel to the streets and we don't only the church on Sunday every day, 7 days of the week, yeah.
For many people, the perceived holier-than-thou attitude or strictness often associated with traditional Christianity can feel alienating or discouraging. When individuals encounter a version of faith that seems judgmental or rigid, they may feel as though they can't measure up or don't belong, especially if they are struggling with their own imperfections or lifestyle choices. PrinceSaj, however, brings a sense of authenticity and realness that resonates with youth. His lyrics focus on faith, redemption, and God's love, universal themes that remain relevant regardless of musical style. This approach opens doors for conversations about spirituality in a space where many youth might otherwise feel alienated. Critics, especially from older generations, argue that the sacredness of the gospel should not be mixed with what they see as secular sounds. But for PrinceSaj and his supporters, the focus is on the message, not the medium. As long as the words glorify God and reach those who need to hear them, the style should not matter. PrinceSaj is part of a growing movement that challenges the notion that there is only one way to express faith. His work highlights that the gospel message can transcend traditional boundaries and reach new audiences, even if it means doing so in a way that some find unconventional. 1 Corinthians 9 verse 22 said, "To the weak I became weak, to win the weak. I have become all things to all people so that by all possible means I might save some." This verse, spoken by the Apostle Paul, highlights the idea of adapting one's approach to meet people where they are in order to share the message of Christ. It aligns with PrinceSaj's modern approach to gospel music, showing that different methods can be used to glorify God and bring others closer to Him.